All right. Your Siemens dishwasher is not draining. I'm going to show you how to fix your Siemens dishwasher that is not draining. As you can see, I have the Siemens dishwasher open right here, and there is a puddle of water in there after the dishes has been washed. All right, so I'm going to show you how to drain it. But before we get started, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so you have this puddle in there sitting down there. Now, there'll be a couple of issues with this. Now, you could have a drain issue with this dishwasher. Now, you want to go ahead and clean out any debris that may be inside of that, all of that right there, if there's any debris sitting on there, and you may want to clean the filter of that. But that may not be the issue. But before you go in there and try to clean out the filter and anything like that, I'm going to show you a trick on how you can get this to drain. Maybe it's just a fluke with the machine. But if you do see any food in there, go ahead and get that out. All right. So there may be food in here. Just pick it out, or some debris in there. Go ahead and clean that out. Now, if you picked up all of the food and debris that's sitting in there, come up here, okay? Come up here to the top of the dishwasher, all right? So you're up here and you want it to drain. So what you're gonna do is you have a whole bunch of controls on here. Make sure that the power is on. Boom, bada bang. And then come over and you see this start button right here. Now, with this start button, you're going to take this and you are going to hold it down. Hold it down. P-O-P. All right. And you're going to wait for it. Here it goes. Let's see. Press it down. So I just tapped it twice, and then it's going to start to blink 001 just like that. All right. So now that it's blinking that, I'm going to take this and I'm just going to go ahead and shut it. And you see the blue indicator light is on down there. And any second, you're going to hear it draining inside of the sink. Let's see if we can hear it. You're starting making noise down there. Blue light's on. Going to come up here. All right, silence everything. It's doing something. It's going to drain. All right, something's happening. Listen. Do you hear that? Something's happening. All right, and in a second. All right, so the beep just went off. Now I'm going to come over here and I'm going to look. Do you see this? The water is gone right here. So the water has been drained with that feature right there. I just drained the dishwasher. Now, if your dishwasher still has not drained after doing this, what you'll need to do is come up here and clean out the filter. Now, this is the filter right here. And I'm going to show you how I pulled it out. You'll want to clean this filter out, just rinse off any debris. And if it's clogged up, sometimes I take a toothbrush with some soap on here and wash off the debris. This comes apart. You can detach this and clean it, but remember to put it back together. And then check down there if you see any food particles or remove those. And then what you're going to do is once you've rinsed this off, make sure you rinse off any soap or whatnot off of this. You're going to go ahead and place this back in here. All right, place this in here like that, and then spin it until it locks into place, and you'll try to pick it up like that. And if it doesn't, it's all set, and you can go ahead and shut it, and then try the feature again to see if your dishwasher will drain. All right, that's how you drain the Siemens dishwasher. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe.